Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G17 Power, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll until we will find the option Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So right here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 15 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings and then the phone. We've got also unlocks and notifications count. So if you want to, you can check some further details by tapping inside the graph, and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them, and here you can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened. Moreover, you can tap on the specific app, for example phone here, and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Moreover, here we've got some ways to disconnect. So for example, we can apply app limits, like for example to the camera. Let's pretend I'm spending too much time on it. So just tap on this hourglass icon, and here we can set up limit to, for example, 30 minutes, which means that we can use our device for 30 minutes during a day. And after that time, the app will be blocked. Or we can set it for 0 minutes, tap on OK, and the app will be blocked immediately. We can already open it, which is a great way to at least start to manage the time we are spending on social media, for example, or a game or whatever. If you'd like to remove the timer, just tap on this trash bin icon that was applied here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.